Your GDI, or gasoline direct injection engine, is just that. Fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber for more power. But direct injection of fuel also means fuel cleaners no longer clean clogged valves like they used to in port fuel-injected engines. And when you don't clean clogged valves, you increase harmful emissions and greatly reduce power and performance. The emissions system recirculates dirty air from exhaust and fumes from the crankcase and sends it along with fresh air for combustion, which helps reduce carbon leaving the engine but increases deposit buildup everywhere air circulates, including the air intake ports and valves. This affects the critical air-to-fuel ratio, causing incorrect timing, misfires, increased combustion blowback, and even more carbon buildup on fuel injectors, piston tops, and rings, and may in some cases cause major engine damage. This corrodes and destroys engine parts and disrupts efficient operation. Symptoms include poor fuel economy, power loss, hesitation during acceleration, rough idle, hard starting, pinging or knocking, and increased emissions. Fortunately, a BG atomizing tool can send BG GDI intake valve cleaner to clean the air induction system and the hard-to-reach intake ports and valves. Using specialized BG equipment, a technician will direct BG fuel injection and combustion chamber cleaner, and fuel-generated deposits are loosened and burned safely in the combustion process. BG 44K Platinum cleans deposits in the fuel system from the tank all the way to the catalytic converter. It soaks and removes any stubborn baked-on deposits on piston tops and injectors during the next tank of fuel as the engine cools down between operation. Service managers choose BG 44K 4-to-1 as the best fuel system cleaner compared to all other products combined. To restore your engine's power and performance to like new, ask for the BG GDI fuel injection and air induction service every 10,000 kilometers. To learn more, please visit us at bgmiddleeast.com.
BG